So I wanted to take a moment and do a review on this SKIL 10-inch, 15-amp, dual bevel sliding compound miter saw because it is absolutely awesome. I mean, I love it. Out of all the other brands I looked at, DeWalt, Craftsman, Cobalt, they don't hold light to this one. I mean, the features are better, it's built better quality. I mean, it's just obvious, I think, the choice. I mean, clearly I like the brand. I bought the table saw as well. And they're good. They know what they're doing. I think SKIL is the original, SKIL saw. Here in Tennessee, we call a handheld portable, saw, a SKIL saw. I think this is the original brand for them. And I mean, they just know what they're doing. It has many features. If you're new to the game and purchasing your first miter saw, you can get just a chop off saw that just does this. Boom, and that's it. And it's a lot more affordable, a lot cheaper. But if you're gonna get into more complex cuts and angles, you'll need something like this, which does a lot more. Dual bevel, meaning this blade will tilt left or right, almost all the way down to the side. It's gonna come up, cut almost any angle you'd like. Sliding means it slides, like literally like this. So I can cut like a 12-inch board. Boom, and done. It's got several good safety features on as far as the trigger. There's also a light right here. You press this button down. It's a light, and it's not to see, as you would think, right? To help you see, what it is for is a shadow line, I think they call it. Most saws have a LED or a laser light to help you line up your cuts, but this is called a shadow line. As you can see, what it does is shine the light down on the side of the blade and projects onto the board. I mean, you can't get much more accurate than that. I mean, a laser light's just not gonna do it. I mean, it's just an awesome saw, I'm telling you. I actually built this bench with it over the weekend, and turned out really well, and the cuts were fantastic. I mean, the stuff here is accurate, the numbers, the readings. I mean, it is awesome. It's actually not that loud either, believe it or not. The table saw, it's loud. This one's a lot quieter. It's got your little pouch here, which collects the dust. It's a lot of helpful. As you can see, I got it on a stand. I had it on this table at first. It didn't work, but it tried to move around on me. But these stands you can find on Amazon. Win is the brand name, for like $100. And so far it's been really well. It's been worth it. But I hope you found this review helpful.
See if I can make the 45s. Perfect. Yeah, this thing is, it's perfect. It's right there. Let's see how perfect is the zero. Yeah, it's perfect. This is a really good miter saw.